Hey, girl. Hey, girly girl. Here comes Abbott. Hey, Abbott. Okay. Whoa, what was that? Here he comes again, I'm sure. And show Daddy how you get up on your legs. Show Daddy how you get on your knees. Need some help? Here. Just pulling that towards you, huh? There you go! You did it for Daddy! Yay, Lillian! Yay, Lillian! See, Daddy, look at me! I'm a strong girl. Look at you. Good job!